Here's Mama playing with Amy. The pups are 10.5 weeks old. Here comes Dad. They did all have a stick, but we'll get to that later. Oh, Amy's on her back. 2 adults on 1 dog. Oh, here comes Joe. Joe's running. Amy loves it. Hi, Ryan. Hi, Amy. Although, they kind of ganged up on her. Here goes Joe. Joe is just running racetrack. She wants to join the group. No, they each got them on the ground. This is Mama. Mama. Mama and Amy. And Joe. While Dad sits this one out. Hiya, Ryan. Good boy. Amy wants to be chased. There they go. Under the tree.